Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we just finished up this 2023 GX460. Came out really nice. We trimmed the back front of the bumper up a little bit. These Ray 10s look amazing on this. This is a 17 by 8.5 Ray 10 with a BFG KO2 and a 285/70/17. And it's got a -10 offset on it. As far as suspension goes on this, we've got our Westcott Designs preload collar kit in the front. We've actually used the lower collar and then that up half-inch top shim. And this has got a set of Bilstein 6112s in the front of it. We did use our collar on this particular setup, and the reason for that is because this is a 5-clip setup on this Bilstein, so we're able to get a little more preload on the spring and get it up in the front and get it to sit the way we wanted to. In the back, we actually did a Bilstein 1.5-inch spring in the rear, and we ran that 1.5-inch rear spring was to get the rear up a little bit more because we've got one of our Westcott Designs rear tire carriers on this. It's got a set of our 0° TIG welded rock sliders on this. They bolt directly to the frame. This is the same outfit that you would get for the 4Runner rock sliders that we offer. So if someone says, oh, I didn't see them on your website, well, it's the same rock slider that goes on the 5th gen 4Runners. They bolt directly up to the frame. Everything routes the exact same way as far as the clip goes for the parking brake on the side as well. So this also has our low profile roof rack on it. You can see how nice it fits across the top of the roof here in the front. We try to keep all the sides super tight to the roof to minimize the amount of airflow that actually goes up through the side of these roof racks to get the air to really flow by it. We want to try to actually increase the gas mileage, not hurt the gas mileage. So that's pretty much with our design and all of our designs for all of our roof racks that we make. We're trying to increase gas mileage on these because obviously when you go to larger tires and wheels, you're gonna hurt the gas mileage, and so what we're trying to do is offset that and try to help the fuel economy. So we wanted to share this with you. We thought the way it came out and everything looks on this came out really nice. The offset, the poke, it's just a really nice clean look, and the truck drives amazing. So we wanted you guys to see this as we finish this and hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching.